Welcome to another healthy recipe adventure. Our Bible text today is found in Romans 12, verse 1. I beseech you, therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, that you present your bodies a living sacrifice, wholly acceptable unto God, which is your reasonable service. And today, we are going to make barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce can be used in many ways, and this has no vinegar. For those of you that do not like vinegar like me, it's probably a little more healthy than a store-bought. So here we go. First of all, it's very simple. We're going to take a can of tomato sauce and dump it into a kettle. Next, we're going to take a can of, now that was a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce. This is a 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Next, we're going to put a half of a cup of water in here. I'm going to pour a little in this can and get some of the rest of that tomato sauce out of here. And maybe even a little out of the tomato paste can. Okay. Next, we're going to put in a tablespoon of brown sugar. One tablespoon of cornstarch. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can use fresh squeezed lemon juice, which would be better. And 2 tablespoons of molasses. I use blackstrap molasses. It's a healthier version of molasses. Next, we're going to put in a teaspoon of sweet basil. And a teaspoon of salt. A teaspoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon of onion powder. And 2 teaspoons of hickory smoke flavoring. Looks like I emptied that bottle. Take a wire whip and mix it up real good. Okay, now join me over at the stove. Okay, you're going to want to stir this constantly, and when it starts getting bubbly, then we'll turn the heat down and simmer for 3 minutes. Okay, now it's getting bubbly, and we'll turn this down to a simmer. Start the timer for 3 minutes. Whoa, we got to keep stirring because it pops. Okay, 3 minutes is up. And here you have barbecue sauce. Would you like a taste? It's so good. Well, stay tuned for our next episode when we make vegan jerky using the barbecue sauce. So stay tuned.